Hi, today's video regarding HP DeskJet 2600 series printer. So I'm going to show you how to use it for the scanning with your Android device, or even if you want, you can use it with your laptop or computer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on. Now wait for the display lights to come. Also, you download the HP Smart app in your Android device or iPhone. As you can see, this is the HP Smart app. You can download it from the App Store. So once the printer is on, now we go and check the display lights. As you can see here, so this is the wireless light. Just wait for it to be stable. Now we click it once, it will start to blink. That means your printer is ready to connect with your Android device. Wi-Fi setting of your Android device or iPhone. And now we look for the printer's name, HP DeskJet 2600. Click on that. It will ask a password, so you enter the password 12345678 and click on connect. Once it is connected, go and open the HP Smart app. Now we need to add this printer here, so keep the connection. Now click on the plus button, click on the printer. So once you go on the next screen, you will see HP DeskJet 2600 series printer. Click on that. Now you can see your printer, you can see the detail of the printer, so it's available. Now I'm going to show you how to do a scan. So first we place a document for the scanning. Open the top scanner, place the page facing downwards towards your side, so it's like this. Now close the scanner bed and again go to the app and click on the printer scan, and you will see the scan option. Click on that. Now just wait for the scan to come. So here you can see the scan is available. Now if you want, you can change some settings, you can add more scans in that. For example, you can see a plus button here. So to add a scan, just open the top scanner bed and replace the page. Now you can add any other page here. Now go to the app and click on the plus button, click on scan. So you will see it will scan again. So here we can see we have two scans available here. Now if you want, you can share, you can save. So whatever you want, you can do that. Thanks for watching.